Greetings to the global family. A new all-in-one Igbo paperback activity workbook and journal is available on Amazon.com. We have created what is required for us to be our own family historians. The pages of this paperback journal and workbook were uniquely and thoughtfully prepared with your needs in mind. There are questions and answer pages, a name puzzle, and organization matching, just for starters. This 155-page journal is 8.5 by 11 inches in size. It's an activity workbook that can be used to document your African ancestry discoveries. It's a resource for your thoughts and messages to your family. Actually, it's a perfect companion for your individual research. Our Igbo Ancestry Activity Journal and Workbook includes a 2024 and a 2025 calendar. There are pages to write birth celebration dates. The book has writing prompts and spaces to document your DNA results from various testing companies. There are pages for you to write your thoughts on who or where you would like to leave your legacy, military, or service organization items. We provided spaces to write your naming ceremony info as well as that of your family's ancestral name. Can you imagine pages with Igbo names, their meanings, and rites of passage info? What about a replica of a typical Igbo housing compound, and sprinkle in some pages for messages to your ancestors, your heritage, and your legacy notes? Maybe an area to write info about your African DNA cousins, as well as your diaspora DNA cousins. No worries, it's all in this book. It's like a big pot of pepper soup, having just the right items needed. Yes, indeed. I should mention that there is a jollof rice page, as well as some pages to write in a few recipes. You have info to help you study the Igbo language, Igbo masquerades, our age grade system, Igbo market days of the calendar, and other customs. You will have access to learning material about our African diaspora age grades and society. You even have pages to write your GEDmatch kit numbers, DNA beneficiaries, kit managers, and more. It includes some African proverbs and words of wisdom. You will be intrigued by our founder's introduction to her story called The Invisible Artifacts, Journey from Igboland to the Carolinas. Because we are a global people, there is a globe on the back with leopard footprints. See the link to purchase it from Amazon.com. Visit our website at www.dnatestedafricans.org for more about our services. We conduct African ancestral naming ceremonies, online classes, rites of passage, reconnections, and more. Write your true ancestral story and your history. Never make false claims of African royalty or ancestry. Document the books and resources where you found the truthful answers about yourself. It's your birthright and your legacy. We owe it to our ancestors to remain truthful. Stay tuned for more books about other ethnic groups and regions. We will be providing more tips to help you on your ancestral journey.